So today I want to talk about my AI boardroom mentor. So I have lots of mentors who are real people, but I also have an AI mentor too. And the good thing about the AI mentor is it's very, very cost effective. Whereas I'm not saying, you know, human mentors are not, but the return on investment is significantly higher with the AI mentor. But anyway, if you want to find out more about this, keep watching, keep listening. Hope you find it useful. Welcome back to consecutive day 1949 of the diary of a Runpreneur. Today's episode I'm talking about my new AI boardroom mentor. But before we get into that, let's not forget that this vlog is part of a fundraiser for saving the lives of children by attempting the ultimate ultramarathon of run vlogging on consecutive days of distance of a lap of the world, barefoot style. The more people we get in front of, more money we raise, more children's lives we save, which is why I do this every single day. So back to the topic at hand, my new boardroom AI mentor. So first and foremost, what is a boardroom mentor that's AI generated? Well, it should be pretty self-explanatory. It's a mentor that I've created as a custom GPT in ChatGPT, and it provides me with mentorship based on the learnings and teachings of some of the most influential business people in the world. And it's very, very cost effective to create it. First and foremost, it costs a monthly subscription of about £20 for a plus version of ChatGPT. I think you need the plus version to be able to create custom GPTs, but it's absolutely worth its weight in gold. So with some very simple setup protocol, you can punch in the information that how you want this custom GPT to act, and even with the platform, it takes you through it step by step. And if you're not sure how to do it, you just ask ChatGPT to help you, and it will give you all the information you need to populate based on what you're asking. And so what I've done is I've created my own boardroom mentor based on the best business books and business authors that I've experienced. And I've read now around about 100 business books, business and self-development books. That's kind of where I am at the moment in my learning education, as I continue to improve it on a month by month process as I listen to audiobooks when I run. But so I asked ChatGPT to basically create the prompt for me based on the authors that I wanted to use. I just copy and pasted the Audible books that had the biggest impact on me into a ChatGPT thread, and asked it to create a prompt for me to act as a boardroom mentor, or even a mentor. I think ChatGPT even gave it the name boardroom mentor. And then it kind of draws upon its resources to pull all of the kind of knowledge and information from these books that are based in the internet, and ChatGPT can act as a multi-skilled business mentor. And I've tried it today. So I've tried it today by the beginning of Q4 in the calendar year, and I've asked it to help me create my strategic plan for the last quarter of the year. And it's been an unbelievable experience, because it's taken me through in a step-by-step fashion. I've uploaded my previous strategic plan. I've uploaded some information about some of the businesses, and that's the beauty of it. You can just add more and more information to it as you evolve, and it will also remember the conversations it's had with you to kind of feed you with more and more relevant and super effective information. So I've basically sat today, I've probably done 3 hours of conversing with my AI boardroom mentor, and we've created a very clear and concise strategic plan for Q4, and I'm highly impressed with it. It's kind of identified things that I wouldn't have put in there. It's helped me kind of eradicate parts that I wouldn't want. It's asked me some quite challenging questions that I've needed to answer to help me kind of stay on point. And it's been an incredibly useful exercise. When I look back to business planning, strategic planning, historically, it would take days and days to kind of get it up to the kind of standard it is now, and which is unbelievable really, when you think that in a few hours with a few kind of transcribed conversation back and forth, that you can do it within the space of hours. And then the beauty of it is that you can upload previous strategic plans in place, so it will automatically know where you got up to, where it will scrutinise what you've done and how much you succeeded in achieving last quarter's targets, goals, objectives, and then it will help you kind of amend them and tweak them and iterate them for the next quarter. And you can also draw upon certain authors that you would like to. You can say, well, based on this, can you scrutinise this plan based on, I don't know, Robert Kiyosaki's learnings? And it will do exactly that. You can then ask it to look at the marketing side of things from Alex Hormozi's perspective, and it will do just that. And it's just incredibly powerful tool. And I'm really excited about the quarter now, as I've managed to, at the beginning of the quarter, I've got my plan in place, ready to go, ready to share with my team, so that we can hit this quarter running and not be playing catch up, which is historically what's normally happened. So I'll talk more about this in future episodes as I engage with it on a continual basis. But the learning from my diary for today is that if you've not created an AI mentor and you use AI in any way, shape or form, then you're missing a trick, because you can basically build your customized mentor, whether it's in business, in life, or whatever. You can add what sources of information you want to be used in your mentorship journey. So any key people of influence or authors or websites or anything you can upload into it, and it will provide mentorship based on those materials, which is absolutely invaluable. And to be fair, I have created an AI mentor some time ago, but I'm now starting to see the real benefit of it, especially when it comes to strategic planning, especially when you need to scrutinise what you've set yourself, what expectations you've got. It's something you definitely need to be doing. So if you haven't already set one up, for the cost of a £20 a month subscription, the exponential return on that is just unbelievable, because if you use it effectively, it literally has the power to change your life. So that's pretty much it from me. Any questions or comments on this, drop me a line, anything relevant I'll respond to. Do remember though, if you believe in my mission of saving the lives of children by attempting the ultimate ultra marathon of run vlogging on consecutive days, the distance of a lap of the world barefoot style, do give this a subscribe, share, like and comment. More people we get in front of, more money we raise, more children's lives we save, which is why I do this every single day. Thank you as always, stay positive, stay happy, and I'll see you again tomorrow.